In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Affirm as a payment method on Stripe. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything works smoothly. First, let's head over to the Stripe website. If you haven't logged in already, now would be the time to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard, which can look a little overwhelming with all its options and menus, but don't worry, we'll navigate through it together. Our next destination is the Settings section. To get there, look towards the left-hand side of your dashboard. You should see a navigation menu, and near the bottom, there is a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on it. Now that you're in Settings, your next step is to find the Payments section. This is essential because Stripe offers a variety of tools and options tailored to payments, and it is where we can set up different methods for our transactions. In the Payments settings, you'll see another set of options. Among these, there's one specifically labeled Payment Methods. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you get to see a list of all the payment methods you currently have enabled, as well as other options you can activate, such as digital wallets, cards, and more. It's always interesting to take a moment here and review what's currently active for your business. You might find additional options that could be beneficial. Let's focus on enabling Affirm specifically. You'll need to scroll down through this list to find Affirm. Stripe makes it pretty clear which methods can be toggled on or off. Once you spot Affirm, there should be a switch or a button that says Turn On. Simply click on that and Stripe will take care of the rest in the back end. The beauty of Stripe is how seamless and user-friendly it strives to be, aiming to make things as efficient as possible for businesses. By enabling Affirm, you're providing your customers with yet another flexible way to manage their purchases, potentially increasing your sales and client satisfaction. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully enabled Affirm as a payment method in your Stripe account. Take a breath and congratulate yourself on managing an essential aspect of your payment solutions. Don't forget, if you want to verify this option is indeed active, you can return to the Payment Methods page and check its status. It's always a good idea to test it out with a small transaction just to see everything from a customer's perspective. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident using Affirm on Stripe. For more tutorials and guides, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.